Hi, we're here at Thorpedale Road where, as you can see, the strip foundations have been laid. So you can see the engineering bricks and the openings that have been created for the actual doors itself. What is actually going to happen next is that potentially we'll get the bricklayers to come in to finish off the walls so that potentially we can give the neighbours their privacy back. And also the aim is to get the surveyors out so they can actually come to the property, measure up the stills, the length and the depth of the stills that are required, so that eventually we can remove the load-bearing walls on the side and on the rear itself. The previous opening has been completely removed and now it's been boarded up. The aim will be to actually have two entranceways into the actual extension space. The floor level has been completely dropped. The stairs will be completely pushed back deeper into the hallway space and an additional stairs will be added, so eventually there will be about 3 steps. The entranceway has been completely protected so that there's no damage caused to the cornicing or the walls itself. So usually what happens, when a client decides to live in a property, we usually can set up a portable kitchen, which usually contains an electric hob, microwave, fridge freezer, and a dishwasher or washing machine.